Twitter's the only
I'm
place
so
where you can
tired,
say
I
how
could
true
eat
you
a
are.
horse.
A single man can live to be 29 years old.
Here's how I made videos like these and got over 50,000 followers on social media in less than 1 month. Like this one video nearly got 7 million views, over 900k likes, and it helped me gain over 15,000 followers. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how I edit my videos. And if this video hits 3,000 likes, I'll share my entire folder with all my sound effects and editing assets. So make sure to hit that like button and stick around till the end because I've got a special surprise for you guys. So first I imported all the clips and their voices into CapCut. For the AI voices I use CapCut Mobile, Hume AI, and 11 Labs. And for the clips, I search for them on Instagram Reels and other social media platforms. And trust me, editing these type of videos are pretty easy. It took me around 1 hour to edit this video, so I'm going to speed this up so you guys won't get bored, but I will point out the important things. So here I'm selecting the best effect for this voice, so it sounds a bit robotic.
Second GPU, secondary storage.
Second.
Second what? Secondhand parts, second GPU, secondary storage. What?
So here I finally edited the video, and I'm adding the watermark. And here I combine each clip to make it a compact clip and make it a bit small in size. And if you know why I do this, make sure to comment below. And the video's done.
Twitter's the only place where you can say punching newborn babies is bad, and someone, somehow, will disagree.
Notice. Thank you for noticing this new notice.
R.I.P.
Water is so nice. Water doesn't call me an idiot.
Idiot.
Can my PC run GTA 6?
It depends. What specs do you have?
Second.
Second what? Secondhand parts, second GPU, secondary storage.
Second-hand second-gen i3.
And here's that surprise I promised. A $5 Google Play gift card. These videos take a lot of effort, so make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. And trust me, if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel or Instagram page, this niche is fresh and exploding right now. Jump in and you'll get tons of views.